Health benefits of dried prunes. Dried prunes, also known as dried plums, offer a variety of health benefits due to their nutrient content. Here are some of the potential health benefits of consuming dried prunes. Digestive health. Prunes act as a natural laxative, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Bone health. Rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin K, prunes support bone density and may help prevent osteoporosis. Antioxidant properties. Loaded with antioxidants, prunes protect cells from free radical damage, contributing to overall health. Heart health. Potassium content helps regulate blood pressure, while fiber and antioxidants may reduce cholesterol and inflammation. Blood sugar regulation. Fiber and antioxidants in prunes may help stabilize blood glucose levels, making them suitable for those with diabetes. Weight management. High fiber content promotes a feeling of fullness, aiding in weight management by reducing calorie intake. Improved vision. Beta-carotene in prunes, converted to vitamin A, supports healthy eyes and vision. Anti-inflammatory effects. Prunes contain antioxidants and phytochemicals with potential anti-inflammatory benefits, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It's important to note that while dried prunes offer numerous health benefits, moderation is key due to their natural sugar content. Also, individual responses to prunes can vary, and it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, especially if you have specific health concerns or dietary restriction.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Cook Up Helping Home.